Welcome to another one of my Leetcode videos, and this one we'll do 2828. Check if a string is an acronym of words. So we're basically given a list of strings which contains words, and we're given a candidate string S, and we need to check if S is the acronym of words. And the way acronym is defined is it's the word formed by combining all the first letters of the words in words. So for example, if words is Alice, Bob, Charlie, the acronym is ABC. So this would only return true if S is also equal to ABC. In this case it is, so this will be true. Now in another example, if words it's, let's say, an apple and S is only A, the acronym is A and A, but S is just A, so this will return false since it's not equal. So what are different approaches to solve this problem? The first approach is we could just compute the expected acronym here as a string and then compare that expected string to what S is, right? But that will need two comparisons. The other approach we can do is, as we iterate through words, we compare the first letter to the letters in S, right? But that could run into edge cases where, let's say, if the length of words does not match the length of S, then you can have, like index out of bound exceptions. So what we'll do first is maybe we can check if the lengths are equal. If they're not equal, we can just return false because we know that there's no way it's going to be equal. And then we can do a comparison by checking the first letter of the word with the corresponding letter in A one by one and making sure they're all equal. So let's go ahead and code the solution. We can first check the lengths as we mentioned, right? So if words.length, so here we have it. If the lengths are not equal of the words and the S, then we know that it's not going to be an acronym, so we just return false. Now we can actually write our loop and we can go from 0 to words.length. And what we're comparing here is if words.getI.car at 0, that means the first letter of the word at the current position, if that's not equal to s.car at I, meaning the ith letter of S, then we just return false, right? So in this case, the 0, when I is 0, A should be equal to the 0 index of S. When I is 1, the B should be equal to the 1 index of S. And when I is 2, the C should be equal to the 2 index of S. And if you see over here, it is guaranteed that each word will at least have one letter in it. So this get car at 0 is, a safe thing to do. And this is obviously safe since we already validated that the sizes have to be equal. So here, if we don't find a mismatch, if all of them match, we will return true at the end. So this should be the code. Let's go ahead and run it and see how this does. Perfect, accepted. Let's submit. All right, it beats 100%. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.